జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞానయోగం 19th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ జ్ఞానయోగం టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, whatever the activities, works started, they are known as samarambham, and without having a clear understanding that body is different from Atma, and thinking that body itself is Atma, that delusion is known as Sankalpam. Oh Arjuna, as long as you are in this body, all the activities that you are performing, you should be thinking that I am not doing it for me, but Paramatma making me do it, and all of these activities are Paramatma's service, Paramatma's seva. If you keep thinking like that, that clear understanding behind all of your activities becomes jnanam. That jnanam, just like a fire, it burns all of your past sinful deeds and all kind of deeds. Not only that, that jnanam will make sure in the present, whatever the activities that you are doing, karma, none of those karmas would cause any kind of bondage to you, provided you have this understanding which is known as jnanam, that is, I am different from body, and I am not doing it for me. This is the jnanam you should be carrying while you are performing your duties. If anyone does like this, they are considered, regarded as karma yogi by all the great scholars, learned people. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to perform our duties while having an understanding that I am different from body, and these activities I am not doing, and I am not doing it for me. With that understanding, let us try to practice Krishna Paramatma's teachings. And now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha jnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahuhu panditam buddhaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka, keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Sutta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha describing the glory of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, those who are in this samsara mandalam, again and again they will be going through the cycle of birth and death. They will be taking their birth in three lokas. Those are known as Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. O Narada, and they will be having Ahankaram, Mamakaram. Those who are in this samsara mandalam, they will be performing their duties according to their Varna ashramas, and all those who are in this samsara mandalam will be always craving for the pleasures. O Narada, but those who are in Nitya Vibhuti, they will be in eternal bliss. Entire of this Jagattu, including Nitya Vibhuti, Leela Vibhuti, all this, the main cause behind all this is Sriman Narayana. O Narada, before this entire Srushti, he will be just one and in a very, very subtle form, but he will be associated with Chetana, sentient and insentient. Then from him, Yasmad Andam Virat Jagne, all the Brahmandas comes out. All the Brahmandas becomes his body, his Shariram. O Narada, Yadasyanabhyat Nalinat Aham Asam Mahatmanaha. Then from that Parama Purusha, Virat Purusha, Sriman Narayana's navel, one lotus comes out. That lotus is known as Sankalpam. From that Sankalpam, I am the one who is born with 4 heads. O Narada, when I am born, there was nothing at that time other than me. There is nothing for me to use and worship Parama Purusha. That means there are no yajna sadhanas. So then what I did, I made Paramatma's body parts itself as yajna sadhanas and worshipped Paramatma. Then after me, Marichi and all those 9 Prajapatis, they performed yajnas. Then after that, Manu Maharshis, Pitrudevatas and all other categorized souls performed yajnas to Paramapurusha. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining the process of Srishti and the glory of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is communicated by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. The same thing is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He Martyaha Paramam Hitam Srunutavo Vakshyami Sankshepataha Samsararnavamapadurmi Bahulam Samyak Pravisyasthitaha Nanajnanamapasya Chetasi Namo Narayanayethyamum Mantram Sapranavam Pranamasahitam Pravartayadvam Muhuhu. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 19th sloka. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kamasankalpa varjitaha jnanagni dagdhakarmanam tamahuhu panditam buddhaha. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kamasankalpavarjitaha jnanagni-dagdhakarmanam tamahuhu panditam buddhaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.